All right, guys, let's talk. I'm gonna ride for a little bit, not for long, and just kicking it with y'all for a bit before it starts getting dark. You know what I'm saying? Getting used to this new Gull Wing. Now, this Gull Wing to me is I've been really loving it, really enjoying every piece of it so far. And what I did so far, the upgrades, as you guys saw some of those videos, is I changed out the floorboard and I put some highway pegs on here as well. And I put a brand new windshield, and I have the new seat with the backrest. And I can tell you that this bike is beginning to get more and more comfortable as I ride it. The floorboards make a heck of a difference automatically on my foot. So now I got some questions I know you guys have been asking in the video, so I'm going to answer those questions. And I know I mentioned the installs that I did, but maybe this video might go out before those other videos. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. So the biggest question I've been getting so far is, why did I choose the bagger rather than the touring bike, the Gull Wing that has the bags in the back? Well, the reason why is because I don't mind, okay? I do want the bags though, but this color, they don't have the color in this for the trunks. They don't have it for this color right now. So I'm gonna get the trunk, but I'm gonna have to get it painted to match this metallic matte green tone. I forgot the exact color of it, but I'm definitely gonna get that. Another question is, why did I get the manual over the DCT? Well, listen, I am a manual dude. I love the gears, the shifting, the all of that. Like it just feels like I'm in control of my bike. You know, maybe somewhere down the line I will get into the DCTs, but right now I'm really loving the manual and just being connected to my motorcycle. You know what I'm saying? The level of smoothness on this Gull Wing is okay. Let's just talk about it. My Road Glide is nowhere close to being as smooth as this bike, and I can't speak for nobody else, but the Road Glide is nowhere close to being as smooth as this bike. The Road Glide is a completely different animal. Okay, this bike made me feel like I could fall the hell asleep on this bike. Right now, I could ride for hours on this bike, even though the seat is not broken in yet. So, speaking of that, seats. The next question, how is the seating arrangement, the seating position? Well, the seating position on this bike, it's pretty comfortable. You are sitting upright. Your spine is in a great alignment. Your foot placement, I have the highway pegs now. Look, I could stretch my feet out a bit, and I feel real good with my foot stretched out somewhat. I could see myself doing this on long rides and just really enjoying that stretch. So having the highway pegs make a heck of a difference. I like this seated position. The Gull Wing definitely sits you up high, whereas the Road Glide and the Street Glide, it will sit you down much lower with your feet and knees extended out in front of you. Now, for some people, depending on the type of health that you have in your back, that's bad for your back. And some people, it's great for their back. Whereas with this, damn, these bumps is crazy. With this, but guess what? They felt good on the bike. That's crazy. So with this position, it might be bad for some others and good for others. So it's really based on how you are. You know what I'm saying? But what I can tell you is I'm loving the Gull Wing. And for everybody who thinks that you can't really customize the Gull Wing is one of the top selling motorcycles in America. I could be wrong, maybe, but I don't think I'm wrong. But hey, let me know. But honestly, there are so many things that you can do on your Gull Wing, and you don't need any motor work. And also, if you want to get motor work, I think they call it a stage 1 or a stage 2 to open up the bike even more. And I know some people, they're talking about that you can use the 93. Nah, stick to the 87. Stick to the 87. The bike doesn't need 93 octane. It just needs regular 87. That's it. regular gas, the bike will perform perfectly. And the turns, okay, let me go back to the customization. So I told you guys so far, I installed the floorboards, amazing floorboards too. They're actually very comfortable. I installed the highway pegs. I installed the windshield. I installed the seats with the backrests. I also have, I'm going to be putting in the mirrors with the bigger mirrors with the lights. So when I hit the indicator, the lights on the indicator is going to also go off. I'm going to put some glow lights on this bike. You know what I'm saying? Nothing crazy, but I'm going to put some glow lights on this bike. And then you can get what was I said? Oh yeah, the bottom of the bike, the engine. There's an engine guard that I'm going to put on the bottom. I have that, the plate that's going to go on there. And you can get exhaust to make your bike sound like a damn Porsche 911. Seriously, you can make your bike, the Goldwing, sound like a Ferrari if you want to. There's so many different sounds that the Goldwing can create. But right now, I'm not gonna lie to you, I like the quiet. My wife said it sounded like a damn scooter, but she loves the bike. As a matter of fact, she saw my man Charlie Brown's trike, and she said, "Babe, I'm ready for that trike." So she wants a Goldwing trike, which makes me smile. I love it. That's fantastic. That's what's up. And guys, listen, man, I'm going to encourage you guys to go ahead and get some demo rides on the Goldwings. Test it out. You'd be surprised at what you feel on the bike. How at first it's going to feel weird, right? Because I'm 6'2". So, you know, with 6'2", you might feel a little crunched up a little bit, but I could see myself being really comfortable on a long ride. Now I'm going to take a long ride. I'm going to do probably like maybe a 5 or 6 hour ride first and see how that feels to my body. And get the seat broken in, get some miles in this thing, because right now I'm at only 31 miles. That's pitiful. That's going to get changed very quickly. But in the meantime, get out there and demo those bikes. If you live in Florida, Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, wherever, go and check out my peoples in Southern Honda Power Sports. Tell them Sensei sent you. Call them. Look them up on Google. Call them and say, "Hey, man, I want to come and demo ride one of your Goldwings because I seen Sensei. He's out there, look like he's having a damn good time. And I am having a blast, okay? I am having a blast." Let me tell you something. The life that I live is not like anybody else. Why? Because I live my own damn life. I live my own life. I'm not aiming to be like people. I'm not aiming to please people. I'm just loving it. So me getting this Goldwing is just superb. All right, let me go back to some of the comments. I'm answering some of y'all comments. Some smart ass guys, somebody put, how is he buying a new bike and he's trailing it? And then he put City Boy. Oh my God, man, only if I can tell that dude don't follow me, because y'all know I ride my bike. If y'all see me trailing my brand new bike, I just don't want to ride my bike. Why? Because insurance. I don't really care to have wasting time putting no temporary plates in the back. So I have many reasons, but I don't need to justify it. But I'm just saying, when I see people make those comments, it's kind of like, yo, bro, slow your roll, man. I ride my bike, bro. Don't be thinking I'm one of them little sissy boys that's not riding their motorcycles. I'm not that guy. I'm not that guy. Now, here's the next thing that I think y'all will be happy about. I'm going to start me a GroupMe thread. I might call it, I don't know, Golden Touch or something. I don't know. Gold Rush. I might call it Gold Rush. Yeah, Gold Rush. For all Goldwing riders. And yes, I'm segregating. The reason why I'm doing that is because I really and truly want to start riding with a group of people on Goldwings. You know what I'm saying? I already ride with a whole bunch of people on Harleys and Indians, but I want to ride with a bunch of my guys and girls on the Goldwings. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to start a GroupMe thread. You guys, it's gonna be in the description, and the link is gonna be inside of the comment section. So click that link and join in, because in this group I want you guys to be able to share your updates with your bikes, the things that you're doing on it, the things that you have learned, the issues that you've experienced, share the rides, you know what I mean? Do certain things like that, because it's gonna I think the Gold Rush is a perfect name. It's a perfect name. Ooh, that sunset looks amazing. It is a perfect name, guys. And you know what? I'm gonna turn the camera a little bit so you guys can kind of see what I'm seeing as well. You don't got to see my face the whole time, you know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful day. Beautiful day. The sun is getting ready to go down, and it is absolutely gorgeous. Gorgeous. Look at that. So yeah, so I want to connect with all of you guys because you know what? In the Harley Davidson world, a lot of us guys who ride Harleys, we tend to kind of stay stuck in our own world. And there are a lot of guys who ride Harleys who are diehard Harley fans, and I can't hate them, you know, but they don't wave at you. They don't say nothing if you're not riding a Harley. If you riding something different, they're like, yeah, man, I ain't saying nothing to you. Yeah, you ain't riding a Harley, right? But guess what? That's cool. I got 2 Harleys. Now I have a Gold Wing, and my wife wants a Gold Wing trike. So guess what? That's what's up. That's what's up. But I'm telling you guys, we're going to start a group thread. It's going to become one of the biggest threads out there because I'm going to promote the hell out of it. And then we can even start doing like big annual rides and meeting up with each other and getting out there. I don't care if you're in a club or no club. You know, y'all know I'm in a club. My club is called Iron Bread. So that does not mean I'm not going to have my cuts on. I'm just going to have my cuts on looking like I don't even know what the hell I'm going to look like. I'm not going to look badass on my Gold Wing. I'm going to look like the modern badass, I guess. I feel badass in this Gold Wing. I ain't gonna lie to you. I feel like a boss. Yeah. I feel like a boss. Yo, let me tell y'all, man. I'll joke around a lot. I'll crack jokes for certain things, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't got time to be all serious and everything. But I do want to big up everybody who ride motorcycles. Gold Wings, all Hondas, Kawasaki's, Suzuki's, Yamahas, Harley Davidsons, freaking Indians, Victories, BMWs, Africanas. What's that? Africana? Man, there's so many Ducatis. There's so many, and I know every bike that I named, I have friends who ride one of those bikes. You know what I'm saying? Suzuki. Did I say Suzuki? If I did, I'm gonna say it again. Suzuki. You know what I'm saying? So there's a lot of bikes out there, and my thing is, ride your bike, man. Enjoy your bike, ride it. But I'm still gonna create that group though, that the Gold Rush. I'm gonna create that group, and I'm gonna make a logo for the Gold Rush. I might call it the Gold Rush Society or the Gold Rush Organization or the Gold Rush Nation. I might do something like that. But yo, I'm just gonna have fun with this Gold Wing thing. This bike is superb. Can I tell you that? I haven't even opened this bike up yet. I'm in 5th gear. This thing picks up speed so quickly. I mean, I'm moving at 80 miles an hour, right? And I have 0 vibrations on this bike. 0. I have no vibration, nothing crazy. This bike feels like it wants to go even more. I mean, it's amazing. It is amazing. And the windshield really cuts out a lot of the wind. It cuts out a whole lot of the wind. And I'm only in 5th gear. I have no reason to go to 6. That is crazy. I have 0 reason to go to 6th gear. 5th gear, I'm still in 3,000 RPMs right now. I'm at 60 miles an hour. I'm a little under 3,000 RPMs. Let me see something. I'm going to bring it up. I'm going to tell y'all when the time to shift the gear. So I'm at 70 miles an hour. 70 miles an hour, and the bike is not even struggling or nothing yet. It's not even telling me to change gear. So anyway, guys, I'm just talking to y'all. We're gonna have some fun for the next many videos, because a lot of these videos is gonna be about the Gold Wing and all the things that I'm doing to it and all the things that you're gonna see being done to it. I mean, this is day number 2 of me getting the bike, and I already told you all the stuff that I did to it already. When I get home, I might decide to install the mirrors. I might do all the rest of the stuff so I can move on to the next. Now, here's the next thing I'm gonna be doing though. The rims. So this bike is a matte green. It's a combat green. And it has a gold rose, like a rose gold color, a tone of rose gold. But what I'm going to be doing is I want to take the rims off and powder coat it that color. I want to get that color of the same little rose gold, powder coat that. I think that's going to be badass. At first I was going to do the green, but then I said, nah, that's not going to be a good look. That's going to be too much. We need accents. So I'm gonna do that color. I'm waiting to hear back from the dealership so they can give me the color scheme of that, the code, so we can match it up to the best that we can, and then take it from there. If you guys have any other ideas, let me know. Oh, also the mesh. There's a mesh on the side of the bike. That I'm going to paint the same color because I'm going to have that accent throughout it. And I am getting the trunk. I'm definitely getting the trunk, and I'm going to put the lights and stuff in the trunk and make that thing badass. I'm going to put the interior lights inside the trunk. I'm going to put the organization. Listen to me. I'm a brand new rider all over again, man. Even though I'm a ground pounder, listen, big bad sensei, I'm still a big kid at heart, and I love it. Listen, I freaking love it. Guys, I love you guys a lot. Thanks a lot for keeping this channel growing and doing what it needs to do. We are building a whole different group of people with this Gold Wing. There's a whole lot of you guys out there that never even knew that I'm here. Now you know I'm here, and there's no discrimination on bikes. Just bring your bikes and ride. But there will be discrimination in the GroupMe thread because, once again, the Gold Rush is only for the Gold Wing riders, only Gold Wingers. That's it. And don't come in the group if you were thinking about buying a Gold Wing. It's for people who have the Gold Wings and is ready to ride this summer. Okay? All right, yo, I'm out of here. Let's keep on getting these miles. Let's get that money. Let's get the muscles. And you guys know I love you. So don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Keep on sharing these videos. Keep on sharing these videos. All right, I'm out of here. Peace.